lab, where he grabs a marker and starts filling in the lines between the stars of the constellation. He then climbs the stair ladder to compare his drawing with one of the glyphs, confirming they match. Moments later, Daniel attends a meeting with all the scientists and the officers and spreads a star chart on the table, explaining all the symbols on the tablets were constellations placed in a unique order to form a map with 7 points to outline a course to a position. Then he makes a drawing to explain that to find a destination within any three-dimensional space, one needs 6 points to determine the exact location, and the 7th point is the origin, which he indicates with another drawing of 2 humans next to a V symbol. The others point out the symbol isn't on the device, and when Daniel wonders what they mean, the wall goes up to reveal they have the Stargate found in Egypt, which is made from a mineral not found on Earth. In the control room, they activate the Stargate, which begins spinning around. A screen shows close-up images of all the constellation glyphs, and Daniel notices one that looks like a pyramid with a circle above it. He grabs a marker and adds 2 little stick figures next to it, proving his theory right. They immediately program the 7th symbol into the gate, and this activates condition red, so they make all the personnel evacuate. Suddenly a shaking starts and the computer monitors go crazy as Earth is marked as the point of origin. The shaking keeps getting worse, and suddenly the Stargate activates with a giant vortex streaming outwards front and back, leaving a vertical wall of water. Orders are given to send in a probe, which moves up the ramp and stops in front of the gate to send through an arm. The arm continues to extend, then the probe is pulled through the Stargate. The computer analyzes the information and they discover the probe has locked itself onto a point somewhere in the Kalium galaxy. Daniel checks the map and reveals that's on the other side of the known universe just before they start losing signal and the wormhole shuts down. Sometime later, they analyze the pictures sent back by the probe, which show a room and another Stargate, so they assume both gates are connected. Readings also indicate the planet is an atmospheric match for humans. Daniel looks at the symbols on the other gate and points out they aren't the same as theirs. The officers want to abort the project because to use the other gate they'd have to do a reconnaissance mission, but Daniel tells them he doesn't mind going and doing the work himself. The team begins preparing for the mission, and O'Neill goes to look at the